Hello, I'm David with Ohio Shaves. I'm going to shave again for you today. Got things heating up. Today, we're going to use a new blade, a Astra green blades, highly reviewed, very inexpensive. I paid, I think for 100 of them, I don't even think I paid $10. So removing from the package using the Merkur 34C, excuse me. Two-piece razor. Still a little funny putting that on. Check for gaps. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, so I've had my Badger brush soaking. Still is a Perfecto. And I'm going to, my last video, I just put the Parasso right on the brush. I'm gonna do that again. It worked out pretty good. So I'm putting about that much on it. Wet my face. And start lathering up. I know after doing this, I think this is my 5th shave now, I'm finding face lathering is it's addicting. I did have a bowl, still have it, but just dipping that in some more water. And I found I'd rather lather this on my face and hydrate, exfoliate my face, than take the time to do it in the bowl. And it's like a wasted step for me. I do want to try some soaps, and maybe I ought to go back to a bowl then, but I'm digging this. And I'm still new to this. If you guys have any tips or tricks, please let me know. I've been watching a ton of videos online to learn how to shave, and it's helping out a lot. So let me start here. I'm gonna start this side today. That angle, still getting used to. Still getting used to flipping my razor. Forgot to do that. Yeah, it's pretty thick. I have an extremely thick beard. I could literally shave twice a day. That's how thick mine is. Still working on achieving the correct angle on this safety razor. That's going to take a while, I think. When you're first starting out, what I noticed is you want to go back where there's no soap or cream. Yeah, don't do that. That's how you're going to get nicks and razor burn. I have never been able to get my neck as close as I can without this razor. And it is razor tight, and I'm not getting any burn. I guess I'll clean this up. on the first pass. Oops. That was pretty good. Rinse off. Go at it again. It's just amazing how good this soap, or not soap, but cream is. It's very, I don't know, people are talking about slickness. The first time you do it, you don't really know, what everybody's talking about. It's good stuff. Better than Gillette that I was using. All right, so I want to go across grain on this next pass. Good pass. You can kind of see where you can still see kind of a raking motion with this razor, because you can't put a lot of pressure on them, and I'm still learning. So I know when I see that, I could probably be a little more aggressive, but I'm okay with it because I'm still learning. And now, if I get anything, it's a little nick. It's not, like my first shave, gosh, I was pretty bloody. Now, I'm not pressing as hard. Like you can see it there. You can see the rake. Oh, that was a good pass. Okay, pass number 2. I really am getting into this. I kind of look forward to shaving now, just because it's something new. And something new is always a good thing. Especially if you hate to shave. You're gonna like this. Because you're learning something, and learning something is way more exciting than something you've done a million times over and over and over and over again. I'll apply a little bit more water to that. Make sure I get enough of this on there. Going to carve that in this time. Okay. All right. A little wet there. All right, so let me carve this in. This is a hard spot because you have to achieve that 30-degree angle on your nose there. But I gotta tell you, you can really, if you have a beard, goatee, you can really dial in perfect lines. Ooh, it's dry skin. Don't want to do that. All right, just gonna go up on this pass for the final pass. See if I can borrow some cream from down there. Maybe on my lip. Hey, you can tell I'm new at this because just messed that up. All right, you go upstroke, against the grain for me, picking it up. Doing a no-no there. But you can tell, and I'm not putting any pressure on it. I mean, you can see the rake lines from the razor itself. Always really thick right there. Oh, looks like I got a nick there. Going down now on my neck. Critical area. Starting out, and still, this is the scary part. Okay. That's that. Wipe off my cold water now. And I got a nick there on my neck. Not bad. One little nick. So let me put the alum block it's a winner. You're doing this. You want to use an alum block. If you do nick yourself, it will close it. And you won't get blood all over your collars. And you don't have to put toilet paper all over yourself. Done that for years. Or how about when you're wearing a tie, cut yourself, put the toilet paper on it, and then you still get blood on your white collar. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for about, I don't know, 30 seconds. But while we're going through that, to take care of your brushes, I'm just using an espresso, well, not an espresso, but an Americano coffee cup. I do double shots of espresso out of a racket that I have, and then I fill up the rest up with water. It's called an Americano, one of my favorites. Got hooked on espresso, well, Americanos for about a year now, but love it. So I have a million of these. So I'm just putting water in it and, you know what I mean, cleaning my brush. And now I own a painting business, so that brush is clean. Flick it out. Let it dry for another day. One thing else I do is my razor, I've been unloosening it a little bit, running it under warm water. Okay, kind of shaking some water off of it, dab it clean with a rag. And then I've got some alcohol, and I've been dipping it in there just to disinfect it. It's keeping my razor looking beautiful. And I'm gonna kill all the bacteria on that blade. You know, that's important to me. I get ingrown hairs and you name it. So I need to make sure there's no, you know, this thing is as clean as it can possibly be. So I'll set that aside, rinse my face off again with cold water. Yeah, that alum block, man, it makes, if your hands are slippery, the alum block's always there. Just dab your soapy fingers on it, and you can instantly, I mean, pull your face like squeaky clean. This Nivea balm is really good. I'm going through quite a bit of it. I like it. It's making my face feel great. And I'm a bald guy, so I always put some kind of product on my forehead all the time. First time I ever started putting stuff on my face so consistently. But that's it, folks. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thank you.